What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of finding promo codes for StockX, an online marketplace for buying and selling sneakers, streetwear, and other products. Promo codes can help you save money on your purchases, making it worthwhile to learn how to find and use them effectively. So let's get started. First, open any web browser that's available on your devices, since all you need is a browser to do this. Like mine, I'm using the Brave browser. After you open any web browser, click the search bar and type StockX promo code. And as you can see, mine is already searching for the promo codes for StockX. Now that you search for your StockX promo code, just click the link in the coupon follow website. Now that you're inside the link, choose the promo code you want to use. For example, I will choose this 20% off coupon. So let me click the show coupon code to show the code. As you can see, the coupon code appears. This is where you can copy the coupon code for StockX. By following the steps, you can effectively find and utilize promo codes for StockX, potentially saving money on your next purchase. Remember to stay informed about seasonal promotions and engage with the community for the best deals. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.